Hello friends, in the last tutorial we will discuss about mechanisms of Common Gateway Interface and the approaches of Common Gateway Interface, that is CGI. And now we come on the tutorial of Common Gateway Interface scripting, how we can write a code for a CGI. We use a Perl language. So we use CGI scripting using Perl language. We learn and create a simple Perl script. A CGI script is just like any other Perl program. In order for it to work, however, it must comply with the CGI specification. Even a simple hello world type CGI script must follow the rules. A CGI script must output a header before it outputs the data it wants to send the web browser. The header tells the browser what type of data is about to be sent. Here we will see an example of print a hello world. Coding for the hello world programming. Give a path in the C drive. Before that we write a hash. Hash in the C drive, Perl and bin. We create a exe with the extension of perl.exe and semicolon. Then print common type text HTML, and for the new line we include /n, complete double quoted marks. Then again print into angular bracket HTML head title and write a word hello and closing the title and head in angular brackets. Then we print body h1. First one word is hello world and we closing h1 body and HTML. So in the output of that program it will generate hello world. We also see in the shell language of CGI example. In the shell, we use a keyword echo. The first CGI example in shell language. We give a path into Bing and Bash, then echo status of 200. Okay. Echo content and type of, you can also use a text type or an HTML type. Echo into angular bracket HTML head and we complete a head part in an angular bracket. Echo body part and echo write a word what you want to print on the computer screen, that is hello world. And echo an angular bracket we complete body part and HTML part. So in this program the output is hello world in the shell language. To make your life easier, Perl come with a module to help with writing CGI scripts. We could use it to write the above as we are defining the path, that is C drive in a Perl, bean and perl.exe. Use a CGI single inverted comma standard and print header, print start HTML. The first one is hello and print h1 both word, that is hello world, and print and HTML. So it will print hello world. This is the format of coding the CGI scripting. Thank you.